beauty. This is called peerchanasiazadkashmir.
Okay, now the last time I was
What
here.
are your feelings about this
well,
place? How
this
do you
is,
feel that?
I was wonderful to be here. The last time I was here was 2008, when the road was not good at all. They were recovering from the earthquake, but people were still very hospitable, and we had tea at the top of Peerchanasi. This is all different. Now we have a tourist industry, we have tourist police wanting to help, we have local people wanting to offer accommodation. It's a lovely feeling of welcome and just the most beautiful scenery. That is Spider Peak,
Yes.
and this one is Makta. And this one is climbable if you're very fit. This one more difficult, but it's just beautiful.
What about the others who will see your video and listen to
Well,
what you have said? Foreigners
what
from
is
different countries.
what is stopping you from coming? Especially if you like outdoors and climbing. But the other new thing since I was last here is paragliding.
Yes.
And you have a wonderful paragliding slope down to the airport, and depending on how skillful you are, how good the wind is, maybe 10 or 15 minutes flying down to a convenient place to be picked up. So again, if you like paragliding, and I think they do some hang gliding. Do they do hang gliding here?
Yes.
Yes, they do hang gliding and motorized gliding.
Yes.
Yeah, so if you like a bit of adrenaline, what is keeping you away?
Thank you. Thank you.